Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Do you know what day is today? Yes, that's right. Today is the best day of your life. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. If not, be assured that it will definitely get better. I'm Aspero and this is your daily channel for cyber knowledge, self-development, motivation, and improving productivity in your day-to-day life. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. It is good to have you on board. If you have already seen some of my previous videos, welcome back. And thank you for staying in. Today's topic will be covering how to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. If you find any of my content helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you could leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. This will help me grow and will be of tremendous support to me. So thank you. You can also follow me on social media, on other social media platforms such as Instagram at eCyberLearning, or my group in Discord, where I'm considering to do also Q&A sessions at some point with viewers, where we can discuss anything that is of interest to you. I've got an important, but before we actually proceed to the actual video, I've got an important announcement that I want to make. I'll be giving away 1 month Hack the Box subscription once we hit 100 followers and subscribers. So to find out more about this, please stay tuned and just follow the channel. Thank you. So before further ado, let's just crack on. The very first thing that we will have to do is to navigate to the official Kali Linux web portal and click on the download section. Once you navigate to this, you will be presented with a page like that, presenting you with various options, which varies in terms of size. For the purpose of this video, and just to keep everything short and sound, I'll be using just a virtual machine snapshot of Kali. So what we have to do is just click on that one and then navigate to that arrow and just download a file. Once you download the file, what you can also do is just do a cross-reference and ensure that the same SHA-256 summary matches with the one of your file. Please note that this is very likely to change if you're watching at some point in the future. To quickly demonstrate on how you can check the SHA-256 summary of your file, I'm going to open command prompt, and as you can see, I have already downloaded file. That's the zip, and I've already extracted it, but really just to check this. The SHA-256 summary. We can use one of the Windows embedded tools called certutil. Do hashfile followed by the name of the file that you've downloaded, and then the hashing algorithm. You've got different options, but the one on the Kali website is SHA-256. So we just click and hit on enter. It takes a while, so just be patient. Okay. Okay. I haven't clicked on it the first time, so apologies for that. Okay, so it starts with C91 and it ends at 6FD. And if we go quickly back to the portal, C91, 6FD. So it's the same file, but again, the best thing is just to copy and paste this value and cross-check it. So assuming that we've already downloaded the file, the right file, all we have to do is just right-click, extract within a folder to our preference. And once we do that, we will be presented with bunch of files, but the one we are interested the most in is actually the VMX file. So if we click on the VMX file, the snapshot loads. Here you have different options that are presented in front of you. Just since this is just for demonstration purposes, I would recommend actually increasing and because I already have quite a lot of virtual machines, I'm kind of running out of RAM space, but I'm assuming that you'll be in a position to assign yourself either 4 or 8 gigs. Ideally, I would prefer 8 or 16 gigabytes if this is something that you'll be using on day-to-day basis to do your either job or just hobby, as a hobby, or CTF challenges, practicing cyber, or if you are just a fan of Kali distros. So once you change the RAM, you have the options also to select the number of processors and the number of cores, again, depending on your machine capability. Then you potentially be in a position to assign more cores, more processors to yourself in order to really make everything run much faster. And yeah, assuming that you've done all this, all you have to do is just really power it on. You may be presented with a message like that. Just click OK, wait for it to load. Please, also something that you should take into consideration, that this is actually a persistent version, so anything that you install on it will remain after a reboot, which is great. So you don't have to worry about yourself losing some files. And the best thing is that it's actually, it takes it really depends on your internet speed, but it can take you up to a minute to just download the file, extract it, and bam, you're ready to go. So the default username and password, if nothing changed, is just Kali and Kali. And if that worked, you should be shortly presented with the login screen. Something that I like to do when I'm using a virtual machine is also having like shared folder, so I can easily transfer files between my host machine and my virtual machine. So in order to do that, sometimes this can already be set up, but just to check, you can do this through if you navigate to the mount folder and then HGFS, I think it was. But since this was not configured, what we can quickly do is just click on settings, go to chef folder, enable the server, enable this, but yeah, just enable, click on that, and just navigate to a folder to a preference that you would like to share. I've already have one. So what I'm gonna be doing really quick is just click here, share folder. So I've got it. And yeah, you can name it the way you like it. Enable the share. Once you enable that, if you click OK, and then if you just do mounts, no, okay, I guess you have to do a quick restart, not restart, but really disable the service and then re-enable it. And it should work. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, I just tapped and another folder appeared, HGFS. And then if I click on tap again, it auto completes and I'm already in my share folder, which is awesome. Here you've got the files, you just put the file there. The thing is that you can look into the file directly from there, but you can just do a quick copy, for example, select the file and paste it in your current directory, which is home. but permission is denied. Therefore, I'll have to use sudo command. And if we navigate to our home folder, we can see that the file is already there. We can cut it, the same content, and we are pretty much done. As I said, once we hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be giving I'm going to be making a giveaway where someone will be randomly picked up, and depending on who that person is, I'm going to give away 1 month of Hack the Box subscription, so they can potentially practice their cyber skills there and do some fun CTF challenges. If this video was again useful to you, and I hope it was, please like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel, and constantly strive to make someone's day better, because that's the whole purpose of us doing things in life. Okay, thanks again, guys, and see you soon.